Okay, let's dive into the story of one of the most important numbers in the universe.
You might be surprised to learn that the answer involves a 4,000-year-old math puzzle.
Yep, scientists at NASA use pi for critical calculations pretty much every single day.
At its heart, the idea is simple. It's a constant that's the same for any circle.
People knew this ratio existed for thousands of years, but pinning down its exact value was tough.
And check this out. The Babylonians got incredibly close, accurate to within just 1%.
Then, around 220 BC, the legendary Archimedes came up with a truly brilliant method.
His logic was a game changer. The more sides you add, the closer you get to the real value.
Using a 96-sided shape, he was able to nail pi down to 2 decimal places. And the story goes, he was killed by a Roman soldier while doing these very calculations.
After his death, progress in Europe pretty much stalled. But the quest wasn't over, not at all.
So the torch was passed. Mathematicians in China, India, and Persia all took up the challenge.
Their world record stood for 800 years. But these geometric methods were getting insanely difficult. But then, 2 revolutionary ideas from India and Persia totally turbocharged mathematical calculation.
This caused a complete shift in thinking, from physical shapes to the power of pure reason.
They found these things called infinite series, endless sums that zero in on a specific number.
So the new race wasn't about drawing, it was about finding the fastest infinite series.
By 1949, right before computers took over, the record stood at 1,120 digits.
But then, electronic computers came along and changed absolutely everything.
In 1949, the very first computer calculation nearly doubled the old record. Just like that.
Today, the record is a mind-blowing 22.5 trillion digits. So you might be wondering, since pi never ends, why do we keep calculating it?
Well, we use it to stress test supercomputers, but it's also just about plain old human curiosity.
And that brings us right back to NASA. This 4,000-year quest is what lets us explore the cosmos.
So, what's the next digit? The chase for that answer really says it all, doesn't it?